to care for their property, and they let their property run down just right next to yours, and you are struggling to keep your property up, and they are downgrading your property. They're not doing anything with their property. What is your attitude toward that? Not counting renters. I'm talking about other homeowners, not counting renters, and not the homeowners association. I don't mean that. What is your attitude toward trying to get people to upgrade them, keep up their property instead of buying cars, that kind of stuff?
I too am a homeowner, so I do carry that concern. And my attitude towards that is that I don't think we need to tolerate that as a city, as a community. I think in areas like that, the community needs to be involved in that as far as neighbors. I think first approach is to approach your neighbor in regards to that, or we have other avenues where we can. But my attitude towards that is I don't have any tolerance for that, because I also am a homeowner and I share your same concern.